How to change voice on Discord mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change voice on Discord mobile. For this, you want to download and install the Discord app on your device. Now, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and then search for Voice Mod. Now, you also want to download this application on your device. So for that, tap on the install button. After it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now you can make an account for you if you want. Now as you can see, there are different voice filters option over here. Now you can basically use any of these filters on Discord. For that, you want to open the Discord app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down. Under app settings, you will find the voice option. Tap on that. Now under the input device option, select voice mod. Now select headset under the output device option. Now your voice will be filtered through the voice mod, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.